My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2016 Mini Hatch. This vehicle was done just over 38,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that the Mini Hatch comes with automatic wipers, automatic headlights, and a keyless ignition. On the screen we can access our settings, vehicle information, Mini connected, contacts, telephone, multimedia and radio. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as a USB and aux port. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.